Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Bioketonic, and today's our topic is the difference between bones and cartilage. So let's start the session. So let's see some characteristic features of bones. First, bones are hard, inelastic and non-flexible. Means bones are made up of hard matrix, and as we all know that bones are 4 times stronger than concrete and they are non-flexible in comparison to cartilage, which show slight flexibility. Then second, bones are of two types, compact and spongy. Third, bone cells are called as osteocytes in comparison to cartilage, whose cells are called as the chondrocyte cells. So let's see more points about bone. Fourth point, presence of blood vessels, that is in our bones blood vessels are present. Fifth point, bones has deposits of calcium salt, that is in our bones calcium salts are deposit. That everyone says that calcium builds our bone just because of this, because in our bones there is the deposition of calcium salt. Sixth point, matrix is both organic and inorganic, means living and non-living both. Seventh point, bones cannot be bent, that is they are very hard and cannot be bent in comparison to cartilage, which can be bent slightly. 8 point, bones form the skeleton. As we all know that bones form our skeleton system of the body. 9th point, bones protect the body from mechanical damages. That our bones which are present in our body protect our body from very mechanical damages. 10th point, made up of protein, calcium and phosphorus. And you have to understood that our bones are made up of calcium, protein and phosphorus. These are the constituent of our bones. And now let's see some characteristic features of cartilage to differentiate. So now see cartilage. Cartilage is soft, elastic and flexible. As you have seen that bones are hard and elastic and non-flexible. Second, cartilage is divided into 3 types. As you know that bones are divided only in 2 types. Cartilage are of 3 types: hyaline cartilage, fibrocartilage and elastic cartilage. Third, cartilage cells are called as chondrocyte cells, and as we have earlier seen that bone cells are called as osteocyte cells. Fourth, absence of blood vessels. Then fifth, chondroitin salts are present, that is in bones calcium salts are present, in cartilage chondroitin salts are present. Sixth point, supports the respiratory tract and act as the shock absorber. Then seventh point, matrix is completely organic. It means that cartilage matrix is fully made up of living material. Eighth, found in ear, the outer ear, the nose, the larynx, which is also called the sound box, the trachea and the ribs. Ninth point, can be bent, and as you know that bones can't be bent at all, and these cartilage can be slightly bent. Then 10th and the last point is that it is made up of protein, sugar, and in comparison to bones which are made up of protein, calcium and phosphorus. So hope you all liked this video. So thank you for watching.